Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Christina. Today's video is going to be the May Fairyloot box. I finally got it in the mail today, and she's a little later than my other boxes. Normally I do get my Fairyloot boxes like by the end of a month or like first of the next month. So it's currently the 8th of June and I'm finally getting my Fairyloot box, which is fine. We're in certain times where our mail is going to be delivered a little later. But yeah, I am curious to know why my Fairyloot box came in this color. I wonder if they're changing it up, or if this is like their like last boxes whenever they run out of the like black boxes that they normally send out. I'm not complaining though. I think this is really cool. I like the difference, and I like how it like pops the fairy out a little bit more. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is May. I don't know if I said that. I just got home. I had class today, and let's just say it was a rough one. So hopefully this box can cheer me up a little bit. I had English today, and let's just say that I took a test, and for somebody that is a severe reader, my score was as if I don't read at all. But to be completely fair, I was distracted a lot with all the talking that was going on. But still, the score that I got was pathetically low, and it's almost like I don't even read. So hopefully this box can cheer me up a little bit. So this is the spoiler card. This is this month's theme, which is Cloak and Dagger. Let's see, we are getting, I'm feeling sapphic vibes here because of the two characters on this art card. This is also the spoiler card, so we're gonna look at that last. But yeah, it's giving me very sapphic vibes, and I'm here for it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the box. First thing I'm pulling out are some scrunchies. I love a good scrunchie, and these are like satin, I think. So if that's true, that's perfect because I'm a curly hair girl, and we need satin scrunchies for nighttime. So this is inspired from Blood and Ash, which I would have not thought of that seeing this, honestly. But you know what? That's cute. I like that this is has quotes on it. It says, You're an absolute stunning, murderous little creature. You're an absolutely stunning, murderous little creature. That's what this one has on it. And then this is just like daggers and roses. So hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know. But yeah, love that. Love the scrunchies. Love from Blood and Ash. The next item I'm pulling out is in this cute little box. It's Stardust tea strainer. I've been actually wanting to get a tea strainer, so I'm glad Fairyloot sent me one. Stardust tea strainer designed by Blanca Designs. That's what that looks like. I don't know if this one said what it was designed from or who created it. It might be like Team Fairyloot, actually. Yeah, this is actually Fairyloot exclusive. So it comes with this little celestial, I guess this like holds the tea strainer in place instead of like the little string that it normally has. And this says, neither here nor there, but long ago. Okay. And here's like the tea strainer. So I'm guessing it sits like that over your cup, which is so cool. I actually have tea that I got from another bookish box. And I need a tea strainer to be able to try it out. So now that I have this, I definitely want to give it a try and see if I like it. If not, I like that I have this on hand, so if I ever want to get like other dried teas, I can use this to strain it and whatnot. So love that. That's really cool. I'm glad I got this because I've been really wanting to invest in a tea strainer, a really cute one. So I'm glad I got that in this box. The next thing I'm pulling out is inspired by Red Rising. It's a bottle opener, and this is designed by Jez Hawk. So that is what this is. Now we're gonna open it up. Another bottle opener. I have one already, and it was inspired by the Starless Sea. So this is like the little art card that comes with it. It feels a little heavy, not gonna lie. And this is the bottle opener. It's a little hook, I think. And it says Audentes Fortuna Juvat. I don't know what that means, but that's cute. It's a little hook. And the last thing that I'm pulling out other than like the book is a Celestial Kingdom mug designed by Kudraken. So this is probably the one thing I was most excited for, was that I was getting a ceramic mug. This is my first official bookish mug, and I'm excited to see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is inspired by Daughter of the Moon Goddess, which I haven't read, but look, in the inside it has a cute little like moon and cloud moment. It's purple in the inside. This is what it looks like on the outside. Stunning. I love it. It's gorgeous and it's so tiny. I love this. I love that I got my first ever bookish mug. I do have another like ceramic mug, no, ceramic cup, and it's like a to-go coffee cup, but this is what I'm here for, the mugs. This is so cute. I love it. I know this month we were supposed to get our other mythology, I think, bookmarks. That's like a new collection that they're starting. So I'm gonna show off the tarot cards first. We have the Empress and the Hierophant. So this is what the Mistress looks like. Stunning, stunning. And then here's the other one, which is stunning as well. So these are the next collection, and I don't know who these are inspired by, but they are fucking gorgeous. This is giving me low-key vibes on this one. So I don't know who this is actually inspired by. And then this one, I can't even fathom who it could be, but it's so fucking pretty. Literally gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I think these are actually even prettier than the Hades and Persephone ones that we got the first time around. So I'm so excited to see what they're going to continue to send us with this collection. But yeah, this is gorgeous, and I can't wait to find out who they actually are. So we'll wait till the very end. The next item is obviously going to be the book. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out all the like cards and all that, the stuff that's inside of it. So this is what the art card is, and also the author letter in the back. And then the fairy scoop, which we'll look at here in a minute, because it has like the author interview and then what this edition is going to look like. So here is the book. I see lilac sprayed edges, or lavender. Ooh. So this is The Stardust Thief by Chelsea Abdullah. This is pretty. I like the colors. Look, it has like the, I said lilac. Is that lilac, lavender, whatever, purple sprayed edges. That's pretty gorgeous. I like the colors. Then we have some gold embossing, foiling, whatever you want to call it. Purple hardback. It says neither here nor there, but long ago. I think, what said that? Didn't we have something that just said that in here? Oh, it was the tea strainer. Okay. So the tea strainer was inspired by the book of the month. So, and then also we have like some art on the end. What are these? On the inside of the book. I can't think. And then of course we have the author's signature. So this is what this month's book is going to be all about. If you want to screenshot, so that way you can see if it's something you would be interested in. I haven't heard anything about this book at all, so I don't know anything about it. I'll read the synopsis after I'm done with this video. So moving on to the fairy scoop. Next month's theme is Chosen Ones. We'll expect the Atlas 6, or inspired, the items that are inspired by the Atlas 6, the Poppy War, the Young Elites, and the Lord of the Rings. And then we are thrilled to reveal that this box will have a paperback book, which comes with an exclusive redesigned cover. So I don't know if we're getting a double book or if our main book is going to be paperback instead of hardback. So I don't know. We'll see. Then we have, like I said, the author interview. and then what this book's edition came with. And then also like new releases, which I'm low-key probably gonna get the Maggie Stiefvater one, the Bravely. It's giving me very Merida vibes. I think when I read it, that's pretty much what it was about, kind of, somewhat, something like that. Anyways, moving on to the spoiler card, we have Red Rising bottle opener, and it was designed by Iron and Dink Designs. No, it was designed by Iron and Ink Designs. And the book is by Pierce Brown. The Stardust Tea Strainer was designed by Blanca Design, and that is what the book of the month. It's inspired by the book of the month. Blood and Ash Scrunchies designed by Katarina Book Design, and the author is Jennifer Armentrout. I don't know why I always say her last name wrong, like I do everything else. Daughter of the Moon Goddess mug, art by Kudrykin. Boiled Mythology bookmarks, art by Grace Zuhart. Our mythology bookmark collection continues with Loki. See, I was right about that one. And Kumiho, which are number 3 and 4 in the collection. So I was right about the Loki one. The other one, I had no idea who that one was. The tarot card of the month. The tarot cards are illustrated by the amazing Arts 28 and featured Bree, Sebastian, and Finian from These Hollow Vows by Lexi Ryan. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. If I had to pick a favorite, I definitely would probably pick between the mug and the bookmarks, because the mug is stunning and the bookmarks are fucking gorgeous and I'm obsessed. Least favorite thing is probably the bottle opener, because I mean, this feels like a weapon instead of a bottle opener. So this is my least favorite thing. Will it get good use? Absolutely. But it's not my favorite, so definitely gonna keep it still, just it's not my favorite. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Did it bring my spirits up a little bit? Yeah, a little. But I'm gonna hop off and do some homework and hopefully, like, I don't know, figure some shit out, because right now I'm just like not in the best mood. But it is what it is. It's life. Life's gonna keep going. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.